Alright, let's do another video. This one's going to be 18 minutes long, walking. I just have to get ready. Put this nice shirt on. It's a very Canadian shirt. Put my coat on. Put my coat. I'm gonna put on this old Ferrari toque from when I was a kid. See? It says Ferrari. Ferrari. And then it's got Ferraris on it. Ferrari race cars. It's a toque from when I was a kid. I love this toque. Oh wow, it's so warm. What shoes am I going to put on? I'll put the shoes on downstairs. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 18-minute walk. So we have 16 minutes left of the 18 minutes. Shoe one, shoe two. It's actually a bit wet outside. It's been raining a bit. Get the other shoe on. Alright. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? We could go anywhere. Should we walk towards Tim Hortons? Or should we walk around the park? I don't have a lot of money right now for eating out or getting coffees at Tim Hortons. I'm saving my money for more important things. I had a good breakfast though this morning. Eggs, bagel, cheese, tangerine. It was a good breakfast that I made, and a coffee and juice. So it was a pretty good breakfast. I'm pretty impressed. All right. I want to say thank you to Jared for selling me this selfie stick for $250. So, we have about, not too long, only about 10 minutes left. 12 minutes left. Where are we gonna go? Excuse me. My shoes, I notice, are not totally waterproof. I'm gonna need new shoes soon. So I'll have to go to Steve Madden, I guess, at the Dorito Center. So yeah, about 12 minutes left in the video. That's long enough to see how far we can get to Tim Hortons. Hi. Nice lady walking her kid with the stroller. There's a lot of nice people in Canada. Canada has some of the smartest people in the world, and that's no joke. We helped invent the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell was the guy that basically invented the modern telecommunications. All right. Coming up on 8 minutes and 49 seconds, and then we'll have exactly 10 minutes to go. I know what we could go look at. We could go look at Algonquin College, since I live right beside Algonquin College, and we could look at the new train station they're building. It'll be called College Station, probably College Station, because I don't know what they're calling it yet. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling pretty limber. I'm feeling not perfect, but I'm feeling like I can move. I'm seeing a little bit of Canada goose poop. Canada goose feces is a little bit on the path here, but not too bad. This is where I'm walking. So you can see Algonquin College is right there. And that yellow part you see, that is actually the walkway to go from the train station / bus station to the Algonquin College Construction Excellence Building, which is a fairly new building they built in the last like 20 years or so. Yeah, I love this toque. I'll never get rid of this toque. This toque has special memories for me. It's was given to me by my mother and my father. So when I was a kid, so I'm gonna have to hang on to this toque. Has good memories. Lots of good winters and playing with the GTs and going on the skidoo and going skiing, going snowboarding. I think I would normally leave this toque at home when I went skiing and snowboarding because I thought it wasn't cool enough. Or wasn't cool looking enough, right? So it just, even though it does say Ferrari on it, which is pretty cool. I guess I thought the look of it was not cool enough look for when I go skiing and snowboarding. But I think it looks okay. Thinking back, if I would have worn this toque, that would have given me more personality rather than trying to fit in with everybody. That's what you got to do in life. You got to be yourself. You have your own special personality. you shouldn't try to be like everyone else, because like that's just dumb. That's dumb. To try to be like everyone else is just, you're being a follower, you're being a sheep, you're being a cow. You're just being another one of the cattle. See, I'm trying to avoid this water, but it's not easy. Very, very wet. Man, we're having a very wet April here. No wonder you don't see a lot of people around. It's cold, it's wet. I wish the sun was out, but it's not right now. There's only 7 minutes left in this video. Try to make this video interesting in some sense. Let's go look at the buses and the new train station. We'll see how close we can get to the train station. Probably not that close. Look at this water I have to cross. So we gotta go around. This is Legacy Skate Park. Legacy Skate Park. You don't see anybody skateboarding right now. Okay, let's go look at this train station. Who knows how much longer I'll be living here? Oh, what the heck's this? HP desk jet. Somebody threw a printer in the water here. HP. Well, isn't that nice? You're walking to school and somebody's throwing fucking garbage printers. Oh, I think I have multiple settings. It's trying to go sideways though. Anyways, only 5 minutes left, so we gotta get this done. I'm gonna just remove this because it's not working properly. Alright. Alright, this is Algonquin College. We have exactly 5 minutes to go. There's the bus. Oh, we can see the name. They're calling it Algonquin Station. Okay, instead of college, they call it Algonquin. Okay, that makes sense. Because they like to go with the indigenous names, right? So they call it Algonquin Station. This is about as close as we can get to take a look at it, but this is what it looks like. And then you go on this path over here, brings you to Algonquin College. Still under construction. So it's Algonquin College, bus station, and train station. There you go. Okay, let's start walking back. When it gets to 15:49, I'm going to start walking back. I went to this college. Yeah, not anymore. All right, let's go back. I got 3 minutes. Can I get back home in 3 minutes? I would have to run. All right, we'll see. We'll see how close I can get to home in 3 minutes. Oh, there's a special constable. I'm not gonna make it home in 2 minutes. No, because I'm at the train station. I'm at the bus station, and it takes about 10 minutes to walk home from here. So there's no chance. I cannot make it home in 2 minutes. There goes a student. He's going to learn how to work in construction. Good for him. He's got a pencil in his ear. He's ready to learn. This is very wet. Yeah, it's a wet spring, eh?
It sure is.
All right, less than a minute to go. Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all our sons' command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, our true north, strong and free. From far and wide, O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. O Canada, we stand